we've hit a major milestone. Over 1,000 industrial plants worldwide now rely on the VAS Yard Management Software from Axians IAS. This achievement is built on trust, proven reliability, and real-world impact. Behind every installation, engineering excellence transforming industrial logistics worldwide. Our mission hasn't changed: to simplify and automate bulk material logistics from start to finish. And we're not stopping. With every VAS module, portal feature, and mobile app, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Bruneseau plant at Heidelberg Materials France marks our 1,000th global installation. This is strong evidence of our proven methods and the system's outstanding reliability in industries around the world. But what matters most is the difference we make for our clients. Behind every implementation, our passion, our expertise, our customers' trust. We say thanks to every VAS user, every partner, every plant. 1,000 plants, and yours could be next. Experience the proven solution that industry leaders trust. Proven performance, trusted worldwide, delivering results everywhere. Ready for what's next? Let's transform your yard logistics together.